Russia continues to deploy large quantities of electronic warfare system to try and degrade Ukraine's capability. As a Ukrainian drone spotted a portable electronic warfare system, the Silok-01, ironically meant to stop UAVs. While the system is fragile, the drone only had anti-personnel hand grenades which it could drop down, making it a bit harder to hit the system as it was positioned on a stand. But after the system fell to the side, a couple of hand grenades could make sure the system gets destroyed, as the explosion and fragments destroy the electronics inside, making sure to reduce Russia's electronic warfare capabilities. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.